Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura, and if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, I appreciate you coming back to enjoy some of my videos. I know it has been a while since I've uploaded, but I'm back and I'm ready to motivate you guys to get some cleaning done around your house. In this video, I'm going to be tackling my upstairs area and just getting it kind of, cleaned up. And this is more of a deep clean. This is not what I do usually every week, but I just decided to get into those little areas like the baseboards and behind the headboard and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know you guys are here watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you enjoy.
Every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
Alright, time to tackle underneath the bed. This is an area I always avoid, but there's just like a lot of stuff building up in here. I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I gave it a really deep vacuuming underneath, and it is a lot less dustier, let me tell you. I personally don't like storing things in my bed, but sometimes you just don't have a choice. Let me know if you guys are the kind of people who store stuff underneath your bed. This right here is a foot massager. It is amazing. My husband got it for me 1 year. It's awesome. It's on Amazon. If you guys have never tried that, you need to try it. And this is a little back massager. You can put it like on a chair, or you can just put it on the ground and lay down on it. It's really, really nice. Both are from Amazon. And this is my drying rack that I use for the clothes that don't go in the dryer. So I kind of move this around. This is sometimes underneath our bed, or sometimes it's in the laundry room, just wherever I'm drying clothes. As you can see, I'm using that sea salt neroli by CALDREA. This stuff is amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. My room was smelling so beautiful after this deep clean. If you guys not have tried this multi-surface cleaner, you need to add it to your Grove collaborative list. And if you guys don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's a place where you can get all natural cleaning supplies delivered to your front door. And I have a coupon code, and it is in my description box. All right, so my cousin Sarah recently bought me these eCloth glass cleaning wipes. They are amazing, such a game changer. Wow. Okay, I can't believe it's taking me this long to get some of these, but they are amazing. All you do is add water, and it's embedded with some kind of antimicrobial fabric that it cleans the bacteria off the glass surface. And like I said, all you use water. Don't use any product on it. And then you use this little buffing cloth right behind it, and it cleans it perfectly. No streaks, no chemicals, no glass cleaner, no smudges. It is amazing. I use it all over the house now. It's awesome on the windows, on the mirrors, hands down. Best glass cleaner I've ever used. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, I'm curious to know how often people clean their baseboards. I feel like I don't have a schedule or a routine of how often I do it. I just kind of like when I see that they're dusty, I'll wipe them down. I honestly don't enjoy doing this. I don't know anybody who does. It's not satisfying at all. But I will say my downstairs ones seem to be more clean because I use my little mopping slippers and just kind of wipe them along with my feet as I'm mopping. But my upstairs ones get pretty dusty and I do neglect them. So I'm curious, how often do you guys clean your baseboards? Look at this. This is just from my master bedroom, guys. This is so gross. I attest this to mostly the underneath of the bed cleaning because that had not been vacuumed in a really long time. So I'm sure most of that's from that, but still, it is gross. Ugh. I also feel like my doors are neglected. I don't clean them as often. I guess it's just an area I don't think about cleaning. I clean the doorknobs all the time, but actually, like the creases and crevices of the door, I definitely neglect. So here we are, just giving that a good wipe down as well. All right, so this is after Luke woke up from his nap. We are tackling the stairs, and of course, he had to be a part of all the cleaning. So here he is, my little partner in crime, and he has mastered the stairs. So that's kind of why I let him play on it. Don't worry, guys, he's safe. He likes being around me when I'm cleaning. So, and I had to get this done. They were pretty dusty, but he is good about the stairs.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend.
Look at this towel after wiping down the stairs, guys. This is so gross. But this is just the stairs. This is the only rag I used on the stairs, and it is filthy.
But somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for
All right, moving on to the upstairs loft area, which is Luke's little playroom. We're going to get it kind of organized as best we can for the next 5 minutes. But I did want to give this room a good vacuuming, so I'm going to go ahead and move the toys around and vacuum, and he is going to be making a mess alongside me, as you guys will see.
best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend.
Alright guys, and here's a real life moment after I just organized this. Luke decided he wanted to knock them all over. And that's just real life, toddler life, mom life, everyday life. So there you go. There's a real life moment for you guys.
Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a
All right, and then this was later on in the day after Luke went to bed. The sheets and the blankets for the bedroom were finally done being cleaned. So here we are just putting them back on, and that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. I have a couple of videos that I have filmed and I just need to edit and get together for you guys. So I hope to see you guys soon.